Hello everyone, it's Sandra and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by my weather lady stance, it's going to be another fashion video. And today I thought I would do another 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe challenge for some end of the summer outfits. End of summer is actually my favorite time of the year. Sometimes, in the mornings and the evenings, it gets a little bit chilly. You might need a little jacket. It's still nice and sunny and bright and warm during the day. I don't know how it is where you live. I thought it'd be fun to pick out 10 items and make 10 outfits out of those items. I have 7 items of clothing, 3 pairs of shoes, and I am by no means a minimalist. I don't think I could ever adhere to a strict capsule wardrobe, but I absolutely love the concept of these 10 by 10 wardrobe challenges, and I think it's such a great exercise to do if you ever feel uninspired with your wardrobe. I think if there is a hole in your wardrobe that you need to fill, it will kind of helps you make better choices. So I'm going to show you the 10 items that I chose, and then we're going to go on to the outfits. Item number 1 is this pair of jeans. These are straight leg jeans in this gorgeous gray color. It's kind of in between gray and black. Let's call it charcoal. I love these jeans because they are a bit longer, and I love the look of longer straight leg jeans and just some flat sandals. I think it can look really cute. This style of jeans also looks really good with kitten heels. These are by the brand Gold Sign. I think they're 2% elastane, 98% cotton, so they're not going to be that traditional stiff denim, but they are very weighty. They are super, super soft, and they have held their shape really well. I've worn them a ton. I'm really happy with them. I found them to be true to size, and the style name is the Benefit. So these are my jeans of choice. Next, we have a pair of shorts. These are cotton shorts. They're black. Don't think they make these anymore. These are an older pair of shorts, but this is a very basic item of clothing that I'm sure I can find some alternatives for and link in the description box. I love these shorts. They're high-waisted, and I like that they're not tight. Like the legs are pretty wide. We have a pair of white jeans. These are kind of like a creamy white. I don't like the pure optic white. I like a more dirty looking white. This almost looks like a milk. An older pair, but I think you can still get these. They're by Rachel Comey, and it's called the Slim Legion pant. These are slightly cropped, and they have a frayed hem. Then I also have this dress, which you will have seen before. I've featured it in videos before. It's very, very much a classic, a navy blue silk slip dress. This is an older one. It's from Rag & Bone, and it's honestly one of my most worn items of clothing in my wardrobe. I think a slip dress is such a versatile piece of clothing. You can wear it year-round. You can layer stuff underneath for fall and winter. You can wear it by itself in spring and summer. For tops, I have a white bodysuit. Surprise, surprise. This is the Aritzia, I think it's called the Cohen Bodysuit. They don't make this anymore. This was the bodysuit that I found and that I talked a lot about last year. And I know a lot of you bought it when I talked about it. So there are very similar bodysuits on the market. This is a ribbed bodysuit, and it has a like a U neckline. The next 2 tops are actually from my husband's closet. So these are men's clothes that I think look really, really cool. I've been into more oversized silhouettes, and rather than buying something new, I was like, hey, why not take a peek in his closet and see if these things work for me? And they actually have. These are things that he barely wears, so I was like, hey, might as well give them to me and I'll wear them. And I've been really, really loving these. This is a denim shirt. It's from J. Crew. This is very old. He has had this since before he met me. I don't think I've ever seen him wear this. I think maybe he's worn it once in the 7 years we've been together. So an oldie but goodie. I really, really love this. It doubles as a jacket. So you can wear it as a nice little light jacket if it gets chilly in the mornings or in the evenings. And you can also wear it as a top. This is a linen shirt. This is from a brand called Mario Romano, and this is in a size medium. It's just a beautiful, easy, breezy linen shirt with these gorgeous stripes. There's some taupe and blue running through it, and I really, really love this. Works really well as a bathing suit cover-up as well, because obviously it's me. am I even doing a fashion video if I'm not talking about a blazer? I always try to sneak in a blazer no matter the season. And this is also a men's blazer. It's from J. Crew and it's a size 40. It's really boxy, really straight, and again, I've been really into mixing the more masculine, boxy silhouettes with feminine, dainty summer clothing. For shoes, I picked 3 really, really easy pairs of shoes. Now, I don't know about you, but I certainly have not been going out much. Both my husband and I have been working from home. Sometimes I still wear shoes just to feel something, you know, something that's really easy to slip in and out throughout the day. Shoes that are just really easy to slip in if I have to go out, run an errand. 100% my most worn pair of shoes this year. I've been wearing them a ton. They work with everything. They're super, super comfortable. They are by Vince. They're the Glyn sandal. They also make this in a tan and a white color if black is not your thing. Or, you know, you can also get the Arizona Birkenstock sandal for a very, very similar vibe. I just really like these. These kind of spoke to me, so I'm so happy I bought them. I have been wearing them a ton. The next pair of shoes are these tan leather slides. These are the Hermes Oran sandals. I've had these for almost 2 years, and I get a lot of questions on whether or not I think these are worth it. The answer depends on you, and it depends on your habit. If you can afford them and if you think you can wear them a lot, then yes, they're worth it. I find them to be comfortable, but if you have wide feet, you will not think they're comfortable. They're not the most wide foot friendly. I'm like normal teetering on wide. I sized up half a size with these. I personally really like them. I think if I had to walk a long distance, I would pick something like this or running shoes over them. They are really beautiful and they go with a lot of things, and I don't have any other shoe in this color in my wardrobe. So for me, they're worth it just because I've been able to wear them a ton. They go with everything that I like to wear in the summertime, so that warrants it a worthy purchase for me. But for you, it might be a different story. If you don't feel like spending the money on the original, there are a lot of similar styles that you can get. And last but not least, for just a little something special, I have these Manolo Blahnik mules. They are red. I think red shoes, for me in the spring and summer, they are just so great, especially since I don't usually wear a lot of other colorful clothes. I find a little pop of red in the shoes to be really, really cute. It just kind of brighten things up. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shoes. The Manolo Blahnik heels are actually a lot more comfortable than some other designer heels that I've tried, and I sized up in these because the foot is quite narrow, and usually with mules I usually size up because I don't like the look of my heel kind of going over the shoe, so I would rather have some space in there, but that's just my personal preference. So now that I've shown you the 10 items, let's go on to the outfits. that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that maybe this video inspired you to go into your own wardrobe, pick out 10 different things, and make some outfits to wear over the next 10 days. I find it to be such a fun challenge, and it always really helps me get re-inspired and helps me enjoy what I have and, maybe shop my husband's closet more often. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.